Hello, and welcome back to Machine Nerd News, your manufacturing news source. Last week, we talked about the International Manufacturing Technology Show. The host, AMT, announced that several other events will take place before IMTS, and that the temporary hospital set up at McCormick Place is being removed after only receiving a few patients. Additionally, SMX, the Smart Manufacturing Experience, originally scheduled for June in Pittsburgh, will now be co-located with IMTS in September, bringing together even more manufacturing technology and experts. Machine tool builder Grobe has announced the release of their new Access Series 5-axis milling machines. Offered in two sizes, the G350A and G550A, they claim this machine gives the users many of the advantages of their G-Series machines at a more economical price. These machines have a horizontal spindle arrangement that uses gravity to help aid chip evacuation. They are available with either a Siemens or Heidenhain control. During the pandemic, many people are working from home and learning from home. Companies are turning to webinar-type information sharing for sales and education. It's a great time and opportunity to learn a new manufacturing software or keep up on new technologies and trends in the industry. Modern Machine Shop has information about upcoming webinars offered through them at mmsonline.com/webinars. Elliott-Matsuura, the Canadian machine tool distributor, has been releasing training and demo videos for Calypso, the Zeiss CMM programming software, in both English and French. These are available on their YouTube channel. Titan Gilroy has been hosting webinar-style events every Monday, the last one featuring former Autodesk CEO Carl Bass. If you haven't heard of the Titans of CNC Academy, now is a great time to check out their online educational resources. They have free downloads of Autodesk Fusion 360 and many other CNC and manufacturing-related videos. Coming soon from Machining Nerd, our first full-length podcast, hosted by Paul Kent, Noah Weshi, and myself on YouTube and your favorite podcasting service. Our first guest is Phil Lounsbury, a manufacturing professional from Calgary, Alberta, with experience as a machinist, as well as in machine and cutting tool sales. On our first episode, we'll be discussing manufacturing and its effects on the economy. Thank you for watching. I hope you found our content interesting and informative. If you did, please like our video and subscribe to our channel to stay updated. He's got experience in machining.
Good job, Phil.
Okay. Utilizes gravity to help aid chick evacuation.
Woo! Chickens.